Repost if God is your main focus, if not, get there. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go to trending at highlights. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker, and here you will only find viral trends, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo that you want for your background. I will go with this one. You can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want by using your two fingers. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.